Today we're featuring a 2017 Nissan Versa Note SV. It's got 9,000 miles on it. It's gun metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. Everything's in really good shape there. Still under factory warranty, okay? It does have the rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side here. Exterior of this Nissan's in great shape. Once again, it's a 17, okay? It's got 9,000 miles on it. Still under factory warranty. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, let me go ahead and grab this key real quick. All right, let's have the black on black door panels, nice black and blue kind of fabric insert right there. Power windows, power locks, got your power mirrors here, okay? It does have dual keyless entry key fobs, okay? Black cloth seating, okay? The insert's just like the door, has that nice blue and black kind of wavy insert there, but it's cloth seating, the nice white stitching, okay? Passenger seat looks good too. All right, no problems there. All right, it does have a nice convenient power outlet here. It is an automatic. Got an auxiliary and USB right here, and then another power outlet on this side, okay? Got your climate control area here. All right, radio, AM, FM, CD player, and backup camera display will be right there. All right, leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your cruise control on this side, steering wheel audio, and Bluetooth on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 8,946 miles. It's got a nice temperature display right here in the center, okay? Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. All right, got your CD player as well, okay? Go ahead and engage the backup camera. Let me dim that down just a bit. There we go. It's got the guidelines on there as well, okay? Make our way down here, got the climate control center. AC's blowing nice and cold. All right, and then once again, like I said earlier, you got the auxiliary USB down here, okay? And then you got the power outlet there. It is an automatic. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. All right, grab this key one more time so it doesn't continue to beep. All right, let's take a look in the back seat. Door panels back here look good. Carpet's in great shape, no staining. Got a couple cup holders here. All right, back seat same way with that nice little blue, black, wavy cloth insert there. All right. Interior, I mean, it still has the new car smell. This thing's so new. 2017, 8,000 miles, almost 9,000 miles on it. Well taken care of. All right, back here looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. All right, got some storage there. Lift it up one more time. Got the jack and then the spare tire there. Right, but you can see plenty of room in the back of this Versa. All right, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. So we've got 15-inch steel wheels. Got the nice hubcaps on there. Okay, tires are still in good shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, 2017 Nissan Versa Note SV. 9,000 miles on it, okay? Still under factory warranty, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in mint condition. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.